Hello guys, so tonight we're going to look at this 5-pin rim cylinder type lock. It's an ERA. I haven't got a key with this one, but it is locked. Put tensioner in, you see that is well and truly locked. I've had mixed success with raking it, but there you go, straight away that is open. Please feel free to subscribe, like anything, and share the channel around. I will leave you with this, a funny story that I heard today. The people of Dubai don't like the Flintstones, but apparently the people of Abu Dhabi do. Enjoy. I hope you like the lock picking better than the jokes. Cheers.